All right, supplies you'll need are your 8 cut out rose petals. You'll need about a 8-inch piece of tape and a hanger with, I like to have black tape on the folded end and then just masking tape at the bottom. Here's the black tape that you can use. It's kind of tough to cut, but when you wrap it on there, you want to cut it smaller. You want to have a nice small piece. So while I get those supplies ready, pause the video and get those supplies. Okay, now you're back. First thing you want to do is take the pieces that are rolled left to right. And you want to take your worst one. Remember you have them in order, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to put this one about an inch, about a ½ inch below your hanger wire here. And you're just going to wrap it on tightly. Okay, that's the center of the rose. Not many people are going to see that. Okay, then you take a small piece of tape and wrap that on, and another small piece and tighten it on. And when you put the piece of tape on, it's got to connect to the wire. Okay, if it just only connects to the rose petal, it's not going to stay. So that first one's got to connect right there. Then I'm going to put a second one about right there, and I'm going to roll it on tight. You don't want it to bunch up and get thick. Okay, pause and do that. Now, the next one. You're going to put up a little bit higher. See how this one's down here? You're going to wrap this one tightly, just a little bit higher, maybe about a ½ inch higher than the other one. And you kind of got to pinch it together to get it started. And you're just going to roll it. It's okay if it twists upward, that's fine. And you're going to tighten it here. Now, another thing you might want to do at this point is grab a partner so that they can hand you the tape. Okay. Maybe grab your neighbor and tape that on. And again, tape the bottom piece of the tissue to the other piece of tissue because you don't want it sliding up and down. All right, pause the video. Go ahead and do that one. Okay, welcome back. The next one, you're right. You're going to go a little bit higher, about a ½ inch higher. So now I'm almost getting as high as my wire. And I'm just going to twist it on there. These aren't going to be seen much. So the bottom part here really doesn't matter. So if you got a bunch of tape sitting here, not a big deal. But you don't want it too thick down here. Okay, pause the video. Put the third one on. Welcome back. Here's the fourth one. Okay, and again, you're going a little bit higher. This is the fourth one, so it's the highest one. Okay, and it's going to be a little bit thicker at the top. It's going to have a little more thickness there. And you want to tape it, and again, you want to tape it to the last one. Otherwise, it's going to slide up and down. So if you have to put a bunch of tape down here, go ahead, but you want your tape to press real small. You don't want it too bunched up down here. Bunched up here is great. So now as I look down it, I can kind of make out 4 rose petals that slowly get higher. And notice it's taped here, so I can't move it up and down. It's taped onto the wire. Okay, pause the video.